The Enchanted Quest of Leo and Flame. Once upon a time, in the heart of a mystical forest, there lived a curious little boy named Leo. Leo had bright eyes that sparkled with adventure and a heart full of bravery. One fine morning, Leo woke up to a remarkable sight. A rainbow path spiraled from his window into the dense forest, inviting him to follow its radiant trail. I must discover where it leads, he decided, clutching his favorite blue backpack. As Leo ventured into the forest, he found himself amidst trees that sang melodious tunes and flowers that danced in the breeze. "This forest holds wonders beyond my dreams," cried Leo in delight. Along the way, Leo met a dragon named Flame. But Flame wasn't just any dragon. He was the smallest dragon Leo had ever seen, no bigger than a house cat. His scales glimmered like diamonds, and his wings sparkled like stars. "Hello, Leo," Flame greeted with a friendly smile, his voice as gentle as a whisper. "I have been waiting for a brave lad like you to embark on a magical quest." "A quest? Oh, how exciting!" Leo replied eagerly. "What adventures await us?" Flame explained that the creatures of the forest needed their help to save a precious gem at the peak of the enchanted Mountain of Wonders. The gem possessed magic vital for keeping the forest alive, and it was at risk of being stolen by the Shadow Sorcerer. "Fear not, young Leo," Flame assured, "with courage and friendship, we shall prevail." Leo and Flame set off on their journey, navigating past sparkling waterfalls that turned into slides for their amusement and crossed bridges that hummed with ancient riddles. During their quest, they encountered talking squirrels who gave wise advice, and a gentle giant tortoise who pointed them towards secret paths. As they approached the Mountain of Wonders, flurries of twinkling fireflies lit up the path, showing them the way. "The mountain is near," Flame declared, his wings fluttering with excitement. On reaching the mountain peak, they faced the crafty Shadow Sorcerer, who loomed large with menacing shadows that stretched across the rocks. "You cannot defeat me," the sorcerer growled, his voice echoing like thunder. With bravery in his heart, Leo stood tall. "Together, we can overcome any darkness," he shouted. Flame soared into the air, his tiny wings creating a dazzling shield of light. Leo whispered words of kindness and hope that turned the sorcerer's shadows into butterflies that fluttered away. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.